Important: this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Do your own research or consult a professional before making financial decisions. The views expressed are those of the creator alone. In a world where wealth often seems just beyond reach, could the arrangement of your living space hold the key to unlocking endless prosperity? Many remain skeptical, yet the ancient practice of Financial Feng Shui suggests otherwise. Today, we dive into this mystic world, challenging doubts and uncovering how your environment can dramatically influence your financial destiny. Welcome back to Mystica Finance, the crossroads where ancient wisdom and modern financial strategies converge to guide you toward abundance. In this episode, we navigate the intricacies of Financial Feng Shui, a journey to align your space with the energies of wealth and success. Whether you're a seasoned practitioner or new to the concept, prepare to transform your surroundings into a powerful magnet for prosperity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join our community of financial adventurers. Share your Feng Shui experiences or curiosities in the comments below. And let's explore together how rearranging a room could rearrange your financial future. Financial Feng Shui, a practice as ancient as the flowing rivers of China, where it was believed that the land's energy could influence the kingdom's wealth and prosperity. This art has evolved, extending its reach into our homes and workplaces, suggesting that the way we arrange our environment can directly impact our financial health. Imagine each object, each direction, and even the layout of your room, all pulsating with energy that can either invite prosperity or repel it. Intrigued? Let's peel back the layers of this mystical practice and see how it can be applied in the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, transforming ordinary spaces into wellsprings of financial abundance. Demystifying the Bagua map. Delving deeper into the essence of Financial Feng Shui, the Bagua map emerges not just as a guide, but as a transformative tool, a bridge between the physical and the energetic. Imagine overlaying this ancient grid onto the floor plan of your home or office. Each section, or gua, from wealth and prosperity to health, career, and knowledge, becomes a focal point for channeling specific energies. The southeast corner, dedicated to wealth and abundance, beckons with the promise of financial growth, while the north supports career and path in life, and the southwest nurtures relationships and love. But the Bagua map is more than a mere chart. It's a reflection of the balance and flow of life's energies, or qi, within your space. By understanding its principles, you unlock the ability to direct this qi, enhancing areas of your life that crave improvement or support. This ancient grid teaches us the power of placement and intention, demonstrating how a well-positioned plant, a strategically placed water feature, or even the color of a wall can amplify the energies you wish to attract. In modern spaces, where the hustle of daily life often clouds our focus, the Bagua map serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of our surroundings and our inner world. It encourages us to live more mindfully, to arrange our spaces not just for aesthetic appeal, but for energetic harmony. Through the Bagua, we learn that every choice, from decor to the arrangement of furniture, is an opportunity to invite prosperity, health, and joy into our lives. Join us as we explore each gua in detail, offering practical tips to enhance your financial feng shui. Whether you're looking to boost your wealth, find love, or improve your health, understanding and applying the principles of the Bagua map can open doors to a life of abundance and fulfillment. Let's embark on this journey together, transforming our spaces to reflect our highest aspirations. Now, let's turn our focus to a particularly influential aspect of Financial Feng Shui, the wealth corner, or in Feng Shui terms, the Shun area, located in the southeast corner of your home or office. This is the epicenter of wealth energy, a vortex where the qi of prosperity and financial success is most potent. Envision this corner as a reservoir of potential, waiting to be tapped and directed into your life. Identifying the wealth corner might sound like a mystical quest, yet it is grounded in the pragmatic use of the Bagua map. Picture overlaying this grid onto your living space with the entrance door as your starting point. The wealth corner will often be found in the far left corner from where you enter a room or your entire home. But remember, the precise location can vary, emphasizing the importance of understanding your space's unique layout. Once identified, the journey to optimizing this vital area begins. Imagine transforming this corner into a beacon of abundance with a few thoughtful enhancements. Introducing elements that resonate with the energy of growth and prosperity is key. Wood elements, such as healthy plants or wooden furniture, can bolster the area's natural energy, as wood feeds the fire of wealth in Feng Shui philosophy. The colors green and purple are also powerful allies in this quest, embodying the essence of growth and wealth respectively. Water features, like fountains or aquariums, can further activate this area, symbolizing wealth flowing into your life. However, balance is crucial. Too much water can drown the wood element, while insufficient wood fails to nurture the fire of prosperity. Adding symbols of wealth, from coins to goldfish or art depicting abundant scenes, personalizes and intensifies the wealth corner's power. Each addition serves as a daily reminder of your intentions, harmonizing your environment with your aspirations for abundance. Through these visual guides and practical tips, we invite you to view your wealth corner not just as a section of your room, but as a sacred space for cultivating prosperity. By mindfully enhancing this area, you align your physical space with your financial dreams, inviting an influx of abundance into your life with each passing day. Let's embrace the power of the wealth corner, transforming our spaces into conduits of prosperity and success. While the wealth corner is a focal point for attracting abundance, Financial Feng Shui teaches us that prosperity flows from multiple sources. The Bagua map, a treasure map to holistic well-being, highlights areas such as career and helpful people, which, when activated, significantly contribute to our overall financial landscape. Let's explore how nurturing these areas can create a comprehensive environment that supports wealth from all angles. Firstly, let's navigate towards the career area, located at the front and center of your space, or the north sector according to the Bagua map. This area resonates with the element of water and shades of blue and black, symbolizing the flow and depth of your career journey. Enhancing this area with reflective surfaces, like mirrors or a water feature, can stimulate the flow of chai, encouraging career advancements and opportunities. Incorporating career-related symbols or imagery that represents your aspirations can also anchor your intentions, making your career ambitions a central part of your home's energy. Shifting our focus to the helpful people area, found in the northwest corner, we encounter the realm of mentors, benefactors, and supportive relationships. This sector is influenced by the metal element, inviting clarity, precision, and connectivity into our lives. Silver or grey tones, metallic objects, and symbols of helpful individuals or networks can activate this area. By enhancing this sector, you invite the universe to send guiding figures, advisors, and beneficial partnerships your way, providing support and opportunities that can lead to financial growth. Remember, the key to Financial Feng Shui is balance and harmony. As you work on these areas, maintain a sense of flow and connectivity throughout your space. Avoid clutter and ensure each section is well-defined yet seamlessly integrated into the overall energy of your home or office. Incorporating these principles not only amplifies the wealth-attracting power of your space, but also creates a supportive, harmonious environment where every corner is aligned with your financial and personal goals. By recognizing and enhancing the interconnectedness of the career and helpful people areas with your wealth corner, you set the stage for a well-rounded prosperity that touches every aspect of your life. Embrace the full potential of your space with Financial Feng Shui and watch as the doors to abundance swing wide open, inviting unparalleled opportunities and wealth into your life. Incorporating Financial Feng Shui into your everyday life doesn't have to be overwhelming. With some simple, mindful practices, you can maintain and even enhance the flow of financial energy in your space. Firstly, start each day with intention. Upon waking, take a moment to stand in your wealth corner, setting a financial intention for the day. It could be as focused as "Today I will find new opportunities to grow my savings," or as broad as "I invite wealth into my life." This practice aligns your energy with your financial goals from the moment your day begins. Next, maintain the flow of qi, or energy, by keeping your space clean and clutter-free, especially in your wealth, career, and helpful people areas. Make it a part of your morning or evening routine to tidy these areas, ensuring that nothing blocks the flow of positive energy. Remember, a clear space reflects a clear mind, an open path to prosperity. Regularly interact with the elements in your money bowl or wealth corner. This could mean gently touching the coins or crystals, watering a plant, or simply acknowledging the space with gratitude. This physical interaction reinforces your connection to your financial aspirations and keeps the energy active and dynamic. Incorporate visualization into your daily practice. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your financial goals as already achieved, feeling the emotions associated with this success. You can do this while in your wealth corner to strengthen the area's connection to your aspirations. Another simple yet effective practice is to open your windows daily, even if just for a few minutes, to allow fresh chai to circulate through your home. Fresh energy brings new opportunities and helps dispel stagnant energy that may hinder financial growth. Lastly, express gratitude for the abundance already present in your life. Before bed, reflect on the financial blessings of the day, no matter how small. Gratitude amplifies positive energy, attracting more of what you're thankful for. By weaving these practices into your daily routine, you not only enhance the feng shui of your space, but also deepen your connection to your financial goals. Over time, these small, consistent actions can lead to significant shifts in your prosperity and overall well-being. So, let Financial Feng Shui become a natural part of your everyday life, and watch as the doors to abundance swing open. As we close this chapter on Financial Feng Shui, we thank you for allowing us into your homes and lives. If today's journey has inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe, joining our growing community of seekers and achievers. Your experiences enrich our collective journey, so don't hesitate to share your insights and transformations in the comments below. Financial Feng Shui is a powerful tool in your wealth-building arsenal, and we're excited to see where it leads you. Until we meet again, may your environment be harmonious, your spirit vibrant, and your prosperity ever-flowing. Farewell, and remember, the path to abundance is both a destination and a journey.